Hello Conquerors, welcome to Conquer IT JE. Today we will talk about what is the difference between computer science and IT engineering. Both these engineerings are offered in a lot of colleges, but students normally are confused between choosing the two. So we will talk about the differences in field of study and also the differences in the careers. There are certain areas in which both of these coincide and there are similarities as well, so we will talk about similarities also. We will also look at areas how computer science students can go into IT fields and how IT students can deep dive into computer science fields as well. So we are making many videos about career opportunities in various different colleges apart from IITs, foreign universities, and also admissions in various disciplines such as computer science, such as this video. So if you think this information is important to you, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's look at the difference between the field of study of computer science and IT. So we have created a Venn diagram in which we are showing what are the differences, how they are different, and how they are similar. What are the areas in which they are similar? So let's look at computer science first. In computer science, you will learn about efficient programming of computers and maths algorithms. So basically you will look at a lot of machines, computer machines, and how can those machines be made more efficient? How can mathematical algorithms be used to make them more efficient? You will research into areas such as specialized designs or Internet of Things. Internet of Things is nothing but interaction between various different machines. How can they interact and make our lives easier? So your car can be linked to your air conditioner in the home. So when the car arrives or is nearby the air condition, that means you have arrived at home and the air condition gets switched on itself automatically. So things like that. And you also learn about creating efficient data structures. So data analytics has become a very important field these days, and thus creating efficient data structures, databases is part of computer science. Now let's look at the field of study for IT. You will learn about installation of internal networks. So for a company will have its own network in which the employees can work in. So you will learn about those networks and how those networks are installed. You will also learn about installation of hardware such as computer systems and anything and everything which is related to infrastructure from an IT standpoint. You will also learn about installation and maintenance of databases. So basically, in a nutshell, if we have to look at the difference, computer science is about creating computers and anything which is related to computers. IT is basically about installation of those things and maintenance of those things. So I hope I'm able to clearly call out the difference, which is not easy to do because they are very very similar, but there are exact differences. If we look at the areas where they are same, I would say programming is one such area. In both these fields, programming is taught, and computer engineering is one such field wherein you can go into, both computer science students can go into that and IT students can go into that area, which is something which is taught to both the engineerings. Now if a computer science student wants to venture into IT, he can take certain electives. So mostly in the last year of your college, or it starts from third year of your college, you get to choose certain electives and you can choose IT electives. And similarly, an IT student can choose computer science electives such as data structures, etc., to venture into these fields. Okay, let's look at the careers. Now a computer science can become a web programmer. You can go into computer programming research, you can go into artificial intelligence, you can work in improving microprocessors and circuit designing. He can venture into robotics, and mostly these students go into software engineering and as software developers. Now even the IT students can do that. They can also go into software engineering and software development, but they go into information security. They if they have to go into their core jobs, they have to go into network architecture, database administration, computer installation, and IT support. So software engineering and software development, that is the programming part of it, is common at the engineerings, and rest is all different. Now if you are a software engineer, it is good to know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, MS SQL, Python. But if you are more on the IT side of things, it's better if you learn Linux, Apache, OpenSSL, Oracle, MS SQL. So if you like the video, please do like this video and let us know your comments about the video. But please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching this video.